Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Velma I, and in today's video I'm going to be recreating the way that Kim Kardashian does her contouring and highlighting using obviously her product, but I'm not going to be using her product. Today I'm using what I have, which is Wet n Wild Maybelline. They got me covered. So we're going to be just having some fun, and I just figured I would go ahead and recreate one of her really short tutorials. So I will link that down in the description below if you want to see which one I followed, and this is how it came out. So if you want to see how it came out, like if it was good or bad, of what my thoughts were, go ahead and keep on watching. So yeah, let's get to contouring like Kim K. Alright guys, so this is a video that she did in honor of her restock for some contouring kit. I'm just going to go ahead and use what I have. I'm not using anything special, nothing from the Kim K line, and I'm just going to show you guys the steps that she did. I'm going to do them on myself, and so let's get started.
So I personally use the medium contour kit, but then if I'm tan, I use the dark contour kit. So I might use a combination of the two.
So initially, to go into highlight, she's going to use concealer, which I use concealer to highlight as well. So she brings it down the nose. Oops. And mine's gonna be like, so I'm just gonna copy.
So this isn't really concealer, but I do use it like that sometimes just because my under eyes are really dark. I love to put the highlighter here on my like laugh lines because it just makes it all kind of go away. So this highlighter is from the medium highlighter matte side, and now I'm going to use the dark kit but the lightest color of the contour. Laugh lines because it just makes it all kind of go away. So this highlighter is from the medium highlighter matte side, and now I'm going to use the dark kit but the lightest color of the contour. I want to be a little extra glowy. You guys, these are like crayons. They are so smooth and creamy. So I said this before, I kind of do it a 3. But now I'm going to take the medium touch contour. Okay guys, I'm going overboard and making it lipstick, and you could just add product on top of it. Okay, sorry, I had to go tweet. The dark kit sold out, you guys. Still blending. It's so creamy. And you could just add product on top of it. Okay, sorry, I had to go tweet. The dark kit sold out, you guys. Can you believe it? It's been just a few minutes. Oh my god, it's sold out. Okay, so I'm pretty much all blended with the contour, and now I'm gonna do my nose with a little sponge. Just to blend it. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of blend in with the sponge all of the lighter areas. This I like because it just gets right under the eye. I'm gonna blend everywhere else I put product on. Okay, now you can see the contour, how it's kind of blended.
Alright, so I'm gonna go in, and she doesn't show this in this video, this particular video, but I'm gonna go ahead and set everywhere that I would usually set. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Too Faced contour kit. I'm just gonna take this one, and I'm gonna take medium mocha, and I'm gonna set my contour areas. Guys, so this is how Kim Kardashian contours her face, and she highlights within minutes. Like this video that I found was like it only takes a few minutes, and obviously she was kind of promoting her new contour kits, which I haven't got my hands on, and I don't know if I would. But yeah, this is what I came up with using different products obviously, and I gotta hand it to Wet n Wild. I really do enjoy their little chubby sticks. Yeah, so this one is Where's Walnut, if you want to know for some reason. But yeah, I like the way that it came out. It's just way too much. Like, I wouldn't go this crazy. I kind of use the same method, but I don't do the 3 that Kim Kardashian is so well known for. She does like a 3 and she blends it out, and look, it's not even well blended. But yeah, she does a big old 3, and I just don't feel like I like to touch so much on this area. Like, it would just look weird and muddy, and it kind of does. But other than that, I like it. It's something that I do like to do, not on a daily basis, but when I do wear like a full face of makeup, I like the way it looks. So yeah, that's it guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos from me. I do upload 2 videos per week. I was uploading them every single Wednesday and Sunday, but this time I wanted to make it kind of like a surprise for you guys, and I'm just gonna randomly upload 2 videos a week. So hopefully you're okay with that. Like, why plan things, you know? Plans never do work out. So you may get a video on Monday, one on Wednesday, maybe one on Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, who knows. I'm just gonna kind of randomly do it so that you guys don't get bored of my face, because I get bored of my face. Yeah, hopefully my next video will be a really good one. I have something in mind that I've been seeing go around, and I really want to do it, and it does involve my daughter, so please check back for that because it's going to be a really fun video. That's it guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.